Hi, Chef Kirk, MWR, Naval Base, Ventura County. Back again. This time I want to show you a dessert. So today we're gonna make some churros. I'm sure you're thinking, oh, I know churros. That's those things I get at Disneyland for $10, like this. Holy crap! We're gonna make real ones. So, and it's really easy. So we start with 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to bring this to a boil. For the sake of time, I may not wait for this one, but we add in, once it's boiling, we add in 1 cup of flour. And you just stir that with your rubber spatula, and you stir, stir, keep on stirring and pressing. Just like medium low heat. And you wind up with this nice adhesive ball here. Can you see that? Now, you're gonna let that cool for 5 minutes. So, what I've done is I waited 5 minutes for this one. It's the same thing. Now we hook it up to our mixer. We add half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, gonna mix this up. And check the temp on my oil. I want this to be around 350. We're close. Get that egg and vanilla incorporated in there real good. We're going to put this into our pastry bag. Right there, it in there. This. Closer this way. Okay. So we got a pastry bag here with a star tip in it. We're going to carefully pipe these in. And then just cut them. Whoop. We'll do 3. I'm going to cook for about maybe just a couple of minutes on each side and just spin them around. kind of like to float around a little bit too. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, good. Once they're done, we're going to drain them on some paper towels, just briefly. Then we're going to put them into our cinnamon sugar mixture. So it's mostly sugar, just a little bit of cinnamon in there. Don't put too much because it'll overwhelm it. You might want to get a better pastry bag than I had, because you can see it's sprung a leak. These ones are short little ones, but you can make them longer if you like. Like these ones, just like little cute little fingers. So again, the oil is about 350. It'll cool off a little bit as you add them. Just keep an eye on it. If you're doing a large batch or you're doing several batches, just keep checking it. Starting to get nice and golden. I think we're going to go ahead and pull them now. I'd probably let them go a little bit longer, but you don't need to watch me for 3 minutes over here. We're going to take them and set them on this platter here. Only for a few moments. Into our cinnamon sugar. And there we have homemade churros. Try them. Believe me, they're delicious. Last time I made them at home, I had to make several batches because it kept running through them all. It's very easy. Try it at home. Thank you. Until next time.